Hello, today we're going to talk about the causes of physical pain by feelings, emotions, or judgments. So, for example, headaches, they are caused by anger, shame, after verification's been done that it's not dehydration. Then there's neck pain. It's due to impatience, worry, confusion, stubbornness, and inability to see a different point of view. Throat ache is due to fear of expression, guilt, abuse. Shoulder ache is due to anger, sadness, discouragement. Backache is due to lack of confidence, lack of support, perfectionism, oppression, control. Pain in shoulder blade is excessive tension, excessive responsibility. Upper arm pain is due to pressures of life, feelings of undervaluation. Forearm pain is due to fear of making mistakes. Hand pain is due to fear of failure. Chest pain is due to heartbreak, sadness, anger, and uncertainty. So a pain of solar plexus. Chaos, terror, surprise. Abdominal pain, chaos, obsession, denial, fear. Lower abdominal pain, fear, control of emotions, lack of confidence. Pelvic pain, anxiety, doubt, suspicion, uncertainty. Outer thigh pain, lack of confidence, lack of strength, shortness of breath, hardship. Inner thigh pain, suppression of life force, uncertainty about living, low libido. Knee pain, fear of change, uncertainty about the future. Shin calf pain, fear of taking action, anxiety, lack of forward-looking attitude. Foot pain, fear of stagnation, identity. So in most lower back pain, in my experience, the physical pain that shows up on the body, which people suffer, is the cause of feeling unsupported. So in most cases, people find that they go to a doctor and find that there's nothing wrong, nothing the doctor can pinpoint that being the problem. No problems in the muscles, the ligaments, the nerves, nothing. It's the feeling, emotion, and judgment that is causing the pain. So pay attention to what's going on in the body. Pay attention to what is happening to you at the time that you're having the pain, in the current time that you felt the pain. Something to think about. And with that, have a great day. Bye-bye.